Hi, boys and girls. I'm going to teach you how to spell animals' names. Then you will see the mother animal with her cute little baby. Doesn't that sound fun, seeing cute little animals? Boys and girls, look at the word hippo. First, we will say the name together. Next, I want you to focus on each letter as we say the letter's name and clap. Do you know what the word focus means, boys and girls? Focus means to look closely at the letter and think. So let's try it. Let's say the animal's name together. Hippo. Focus on the letter H. H. Remember to clap as we say each letter. Focus. I. Focus. P. Focus. P. Focus. O. What did we spell? Hippo. H-I-P-P-O. Spells what, boys and girls? Hippo. Try it again. H-I-P-P-O spells what? Hippo. Great job. Remember, boys and girls, we're going to say the animal's name together. And what's the name? Yak. Now we're going to focus on each letter and clap as we say each letter's name. Here we go. Focus. Y. Focus. A. Focus. K. Spells what? Yak. Again, focus. Y. A. K. What's the animal's name? Yak. Focus. Y. A. K. Spells what? Yak. Great job again. Duck. Focus. D. Focus. U. Focus. C. Focus. K. Spells duck. Again. D. U. C. K. Spells what, boys and girls? Duck. Again. D. U. C. K. Spells duck. Focus. P. Focus. I. Focus. G. Spells pig. Again. P-I-G. Spells pig. Again. P-I-G. Spells pig. Donkey. Focus. D. Focus. O. Focus. N. Focus. K. Focus. E. Focus. Y. Spells donkey. Again. D. O. N. K. E. Y. Spells what, boys and girls? Donkey. Again. D. O. N. K. E. Y. Spells what, boys and girls? Donkey. focus, G, focus, O, focus, A, focus, T, spells goat. Again, G, O, A, T. Again, G, O, A, T. Great, boys and girls. And what does G-O-A-T spell? Goat. Jaguar, focus, J, focus, A, focus, G, focus, U, focus, A, focus, R. Spells what, boys and girls? Jaguar. Spell it again. J, A, G, U, A, R. Spells what? Jaguar. Again. J, A, G, U, A, R. Spells jaguar. Koala, focus, K, focus, O, focus, A, focus, L, focus, A. Spells koala. Again, K, O, A, L, A. Spells koala. Again, K, O, A, L, A. Spells koala. Camel, focus, C, focus, A, focus, M, focus, E, focus, L. Spells what, boys and girls? Camel. Again, C, A, M, E, L. Spells camel. Again, C, A, M, E, L. Spells camel. Hamster, focus, H, focus, A, focus, M, focus, S, focus, T, focus, E, focus, R. Spells what, boys and girls? Hamster. Again, H, A, M, S, T, E, R. Spells hamster. Again, H, A, M, S, T, E, R. Spells hamster. Great job. Here's a hard one, boys and girls. But don't worry about it. Just have fun. Fun should be a time of learning new things, too. So here we go. What is the word? Orangutan. Focus. O. Focus. R. Focus. A. Focus. N. Focus. G. Focus. U. Focus. T. Focus. A. Focus. N. What's the word? Orangutan. Here we go again. O. R. A. N. G. U. T. A. N. What's the word, boys and girls? Orangutan. Again. O. R. A. N. G. U. T. A. N. Now you get to see a mother orangutan with her newborn little baby.